Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Welcome back, everybody. Happy Friday. You've made it to the weekend, or at least close to the weekend anyway. And boy, oh boy, I have to tell you, I've really enjoyed being out here each night with Hole in the Wall Barbecue, showing you great things that you could be grilling. And tonight we've got a great menu coming up as well. We'll get to Ron and what we've got on the old Big Green Egg in just a second. But first, let's take a peek at what's happening outside. Pretty much clear skies all across the studios here. And as you can see on the visual satellite, even the coast enjoying some nice sunny afternoon. Now we've got a little bit of cloud cover just south and right around Astoria and Tillamook. That'll fill in pretty quickly as we go overnight tonight. And I do think there's a chance we could get a shallow marine layer here inland, probably around the South Valley, Eugene, Springfield area, maybe for an hour or two tomorrow morning. Won't be much, but it may be out there. Here's basically the setup for the weekend forecast. We are sort of the sunny, warm sandwich in between two areas of high pressure. One sitting just off of the coastline, the other one sitting just over in towards the northern Rockies. And in fact, both of those will continue to keep us under that very sunny and, as you can see back off to the east of us, hot forecast. 104 in Ontario today, 99 in Medford, 92 in Roseburg, 88 here in Eugene. Tad cooler as you get to Corvallis and road across, as she mentioned. Da Vinci Day is getting ready to kick off along with the Linn County Fair as well. 99 in Pendleton, a little cooler in Portland. They hung on to some cloud cover into the early afternoon, and their temperature is just a bit cooler than where we were. 91 in Bend right now. It's still sitting at 91 in Roseburg. Upper 80s as you get to Eugene, 85 in Cottage Grove, 82 in Corvallis, and right around 61 out towards the south coast. So there's that high and low sitting out there as well. Remember, both of those sort of pushing against each other, and so we're not getting much movement within the jet stream. And so that continues to keep that jet stream north of us, which continues to keep the warm air around from that high sitting off in the northern Rockies. So this pattern will pretty much persist through the weekend. And even though we'll get a bit of a west-southwesterly push, it's not going to have much of an effect in terms of either cooling us down or allowing any little weather systems to develop, any weak cold fronts. So I'm expecting the weekend to pretty much look just like what we're looking at right now, which is pretty darn good. It's not bad. Clear and warm tonight. Few hours of morning clouds in some spots tomorrow. Then it's back to sunny skies, and we'll keep a warm, sunny forecast for the entire weekend. And then next Tuesday does look like we'll start to see some of the hotter weather get a little closer to us again. That high strengthens in the upper part of the atmosphere, what we call the ridge, starts to build up and get a little more teeth to it, and that should keep things hotter as we go to Monday and Tuesday. So the coast will see temperatures around 62 to 65, 66 degrees. Sunny and warm forecast for the coast with the morning clouds pretty much the next 6 to 7 days, including a 70 degrees probably by Monday and Tuesday. In the Umpqua Basin, we'll be looking at upper 80s around Elkton and Sutherland, low 90s as you get to Roseburg and Myrtle Creek. And then everybody sitting in the mid-90s possible by Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, we start to see the introduction of the morning clouds again. Should cool things off just a few degrees. Cascades, sunny and warm. Dry conditions as well. We don't have any red flag warnings out. However, that ocean air, if it happens to shut down Monday, Tuesday, and we see those humidity levels drop dramatically into the teens, we may be dealing with some red flag warnings out in central Oregon in particular, where it will stay sunny and hot in Bend and Redmond, the low 90s through the weekend, and mid-80s with a slight chance for some thunderstorms we'll keep our eye on by next week. In the valley, sunny and breezy tomorrow with temperatures around 86 in Junction City, 88 or so, Cottage Grove, Corvallis, and Eugene. Looking just a tad cooler on Sunday. Then we're ramping back up into the low 90s and pretty much a typical late July forecast for us here. So